Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to set up our developer edition org. So without wasting any time further, let's proceed with today's video. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to stay updated with proper Salesforce tutorials and want to watch more tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Also, if you have thoughts or question, drop it in the comments. I would love to hear from you and promise I will read every single one. Thank you so much guys, and now you can proceed with the video. Now what is an org? Now an org is nothing but a Salesforce tool or a Salesforce instance that is specifically for our own organization. So whenever an organization wants to work on Salesforce, they need to purchase some license, and in that case Salesforce creates a specific instance for that specific organization, and that instance is nothing but an org. Now there are basically two broad categories of Salesforce orgs. They can be production instance or it can be a development instance. Now it is obvious that production instance is basically used in real life and all the real life data is existing in the production instance of the org, and development instance is basically to perform any sort of development, any sort of configuration. So you can say it is kind of a playground where the developer do all the type of development, administrators do all the type of configuration, test them out with the test data, and finally when everything is tested and verified, then only those changes are brought into the production instance. Now the production instance also available in different editions like Essentials, Professional, Enterprise and Unlimited edition. And definitely the features and the price of these different editions of production instance varies. And following are the various development instances like Full Copy Sandbox, Partial Copy Sandbox, Developer Pro Org, Developer Edition Org and Scratch Org. Now these different development instances have different amount of space and different amount of data available in them. Now out of these different instances, we are going to work with Developer Edition Org, which is one of the development instances. Now if I talk about Full Copy Sandbox, Partial Copy Sandbox, Developer Pro Org or Scratch Org, we can create these instances only once we have a production instance with us. And since for this course I am not going to purchase any production instance, it is costly of course, so I am going to work with Developer Edition Org. Now Developer Edition Org environment is a free environment. Of course the amount of storage is very less comparatively to Developer Pro Org, but definitely for the learning purpose, for the practice purpose, this is the best suitable edition. Now users can sign up for as many Developer Edition Org as they want. Now for signing up Developer Edition Org, this is the link that you have to use, developer.salesforce.com/sign up, and to log into your org you can use either the salesforce.com website or login.salesforce.com. So it's pretty much of talk, and now it's time to see the things practically. Hey guys, welcome to the practical session. So let's just see how we can sign up for our Developer Edition org. So as I mentioned, we have to go to developer.salesforce.com/sign up. So let's go to that link. So this will open up this form which we have to fill up. So let me just quickly fill it up. So you can see I have given my first name, last name, my email address, role. You can select any specific role which you want. If you don't have any company for which you are working, you can provide your own name over here as well. Provide your country and your postal code. Now here you have to provide a username. Now point to note over here is the username should be in an email format. So just like you have an @.com over there in your email, similarly it should be in the same format. Now it need not to be a valid email address, but the username should be according to the email format. Other thing that is important over here is Salesforce maintains the uniqueness of the username throughout all the org. So if you are specifying a specific username over here for this specific org, the same username cannot be used for any other org. So keep a note about it. So I am providing a username over here as pstadmin@course.com. Now we will click on this agree to the agreement, and then we will click on this sign me up. Now if your username is unique, then definitely it will send an email for the activation of your account. So it might take some time to get that email. So let's wait for that, and I will show you how that email looks like. So guys, you can see I have received that mail over here. Now it will show me this verify account button. So first of all, I have to verify my account. It is telling me the URL for my org and also the username which I have chosen over there. Now let me click on this verify account. Now when I am verifying my account, I have to provide a password and I have to confirm that password. So let me quickly do that. And then you have to select a security question over here. Now this security question is really handy when you actually forgot your password and you want to reset your password. So when you will try to do that, it will send you a link, and after clicking on that link, you have to provide the same answer which you have given over here while writing down the security question. So I'm choosing a security question over here and an answer for that, and click on change password. Once you are done, your account is activated and it will logged in. So you can see our developer edition org has been successfully logged in with my user. Now the user that you have chosen over here is by default the system administrator user. Now let me show you how you can log into your account when you are actually logged out of it. So to log out from it, click on this profile icon and click on log out. Now there are many ways through which you can log into your org. The first way is via the salesforce.com link. So let's go to www.salesforce.com. From this page you have the login option. Click on login and choose Salesforce. Now from here, if you have already saved some username, definitely it will show that, but I want to use a different username, so I will click on login with a different username and provide that username over here, which is pstadmin@course.com, and then provide the password for it. You can also choose to remember me option over here, or if you don't want it to remember, then you can uncheck this option and click on login. Now I am using a Google Chrome extension organizer, that's why it is asking this question to me. But if you don't have this specific extension, then this option will not be shown to you. And you can see you have successfully logged into your account. Let me log out once again. Now this was the indirect way where we were going to salesforce.com, and through the login option we were selecting Salesforce. You can directly use an URL login.salesforce.com, and this will directly show you the same login page. Another way to log into your org is to use the URL of your org. Now the same verify account mail will show you the URL of your org. You can click on this URL, and this will also show you the login page where you can log in to your specific org. Now the difference between login.salesforce.com and the URL of your org is, from the login.salesforce.com you can specify any username and password of any specific org and you can log into that specific org. But from the URL of your org, you can only use the username of this specific org. So all the usernames of this specific org is only valid over here. But in login.salesforce.com, any specific username of any specific org is valid over here. Only the username and password should be valid. So these are the different ways through which you can log into your org, and this is how you can sign up for your developer edition org. You can sign up for as many orgs with the same email account. Just make sure that the username of all the orgs should be unique. That marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.